Good morning! Friday ngayon, Friday! So punta tayo ng garage sale. Balik tayo garage sale Friday. Normally hindi ako nagpupunta garage sale Friday, pero since last Friday nakadali tayo ng mga maganda pang resale. Ulitin natin ulit ngayon. I think may mga 3 or 4 tayong pupuntahan na garage sale ngayon. So hopefully makadali ulit tayo ng mga maganda. Alright, so hey, samahan niyo ako and then share, comment, subscribe ha. 821 subscribers na tayo. Maraming salamat mga pare ko. Hopefully magiging 1,000 na tayo. Alright, so kita-kits, samahan niyo ako. Ingat.
Oh yeah, mosquitoes too.
Yeah, mosquitoes
Tripping me.
They're saying that hurricanes, we're gonna get some rain out of it now.
Yeah. Well,
We need it though.
when I looked up and I came outside and I saw the pond cover, I was like, whoa, rain.
Yeah, I think they said starting tomorrow it's supposed to start.
This you. How much for these?
I was gonna do probably 30 a piece.
30 for it. Okay. Okay. That's cool.
The plug kind of caught in the rack there.
What is this thing for?
So you plug it into like a CD player or a record player, and then you listen to headphones out of it, and it gives you tube amplifier. So it gives you it runs it through a tube, so it sounds warmer. It's really nice.
That's cool.
I have a second one now, so I don't need it.
You take 15 for it? You got it for 25.
I do 20.
20?
Yeah.
I think I'll do it for 20.
And the tubes in it are really, really nice.
Old VHS. Vintage.
Yeah, I got some old stuff in there.
Have you sold many already?
Tapes and stuff?
Just everything.
I had a lot of video games that sold, and I had a guitar that sold.
Uh-huh.
I sold a jack. I sold a couple odds and ends.
That's
Yeah, I had a guy. The first guy that was here bought a lot.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah, he bought a lot. Hell, he was like a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I could hear him out here.
He was here early?
Oh yeah, he was knocking on the door at like 7. I was like, you got to wait. I didn't even get everything out here.
That's funny. So 20. Do 25?
Yeah, I can do that.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Huh? Oh, I got a feeder for Father's Day. Erica got me a feeder, and it's a little tray, and it sticks on the front window, and they'll all come in the window. I got cardinals, so I'll be sitting there working, and they'll just come right up to the window, and you'll see them eating in the
That's so
window.
cool. I love birds.
And then I got the big feeder in the back, so I always have to back there. Morning.
Get out of the way. Oh no, I don't think the slide is the slide for
Oh no, I was just drying it out. I was doing 30. They're light brain branches. I just had them hanging on the wall.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Binili ko na to, mga vintage kasi to na VHS na wrestling, WrestleMania. So, let's go. Ang mga vintage to na mga WWF wrestling ba? Vintage, I think 2000, 2001, and then 1999 yet 1998. Itong isa, 1998. Ang ganda nito pre. So ito lahat $25 ang bili natin. Ito siguro ito mabibenta to mga $10 yata. And then ito mga siguro mga $20 $20. Ito yung pinakamahal pre. Siguro mga $30 to. So yeah, hindi na masama kung mabenta ko to. Bayad to lahat ito. Ito pa lang. So balik na yung profit natin. And then ito siya $25 pero nga binandol to, so 25 lahat. Ito siguro mabibenta ko to mga $50 to $70. So yeah, ang ganda. So hindi na masama, malayo-layo lang konti yung pinuntahan ko, pero hindi na yun masama pre. Ang ganda nito. So yeah, cool na cool to na natanggal. So cool na cool yan. Alright, let's go. Punta tayo sa sunod. Alright. Ito tayo pre. Bago pre. Tingnan natin. Hopefully mayroon dito.
Hey, how's it going?
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Looking for anything in particular?
Electronics?
I don't know if I've got too much out here. Mostly just.
So, pre, nakalimutan kong mag-video doon. So, ang mga nakuha ko doon, ito ang dami pre, mga tapes, Smallville, DVDs. Pero ang maganda nito is season kasi ito. So bili ko lahat isa $15. Ito dito, ito mga yung VHS sa kabila to eh. Ito mga wrestling. Ito. So ito lahat pre, ang binayad ko isa $15 and then yung jacket is $5. So binili ko na lahat kasi ito puro Smallville to kasi to pre. So pwede ko tong ilat lahat. Kasi may mga nagko-collect nito. So yan, Smallville. So ang ganda nito pre. And then ito may Smallville. So ito yung buong season. And then itong Big Bang Theory din. Buo din to. Mga ilang season to. Yan. So kaya binili to. So $15 lang to lahat. So sulit na sulit tong find na to pre. So ito Smallville, and then ito puro Big Bang Theory, and then itong jacket na to $5. Ang ganda nito. Isuotin ko para makita nyo. $5 lang to eh. Teka. Ito pre, ang ganda nito pre. Eddie Bauer to pre. Ang ganda no. $5 ito. Eddie Bauer na jacket. So $5 lang bili ko nito. So yeah, I don't know kung gusto niyo to ano tawag nito para sa inyo to, ipang-ukay to. Di ba? Ang ganda yan pre. Ang ganda ng $5 ang bili ko. Alright mga pare ko, salamat Ingat kayo sa ulitin. Bye-bye.